Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing fine. Today I'd like to show you two great new features that are super useful and that were added to the official Zebra dry plate production darkroom. So to the place where more or less all Zebra dry plates are being hand coated each and every day. So yeah, let me show you what this is all about. So for those of you who've not been following me from the very beginning, Zebra dry plate darkroom is actually inside of a shipping container that was later remodeled to make a darkroom out of it. So everything inside here was made by me, including this sink and everything. You can find the videos to how I did all this on the channel, on the Lost Light Art YouTube channel. Otherwise, the first feature I would like to show you is this light switch. Before we install this switch right here, the main lights of the darkroom as well as the ventilation, which is by the way super important in the darkroom, especially if you want to dry your dry plate super fast. So the main lights, most importantly, were operated by this switch as well, which is now not working anymore, which is super great because often it happened that this light switch was turned on accidentally. And I used to dry all of my dry plates on these marble slabs right here. Sorry, it's a bit messy at the moment because we are super busy. But yeah, so the glass dry plates were placed on these marble slabs right here. Then after coating, the safe lights were turned off, so it was complete darkness. And then the plates were drying in this big empty space for about 10 to 14 hours. But yeah, if you turn the lights on, that means that, I don't know, 120 plates at once were exposed. So basically one could only remove the emulsion and recoat them once again. So there was a lot of work that was being thrown away. And now, with some help of 3D printing and with this great switch, the lights can only be turned on with this key right here. You can see. Like this. So yeah, I think I will just turn it off and throw the key in the lake. What do you think? Anyway, let's move on to the second great feature that was added to the Zebra darkroom in the last few weeks. We've been working on it with my colleague Jakob, who is helping me in the workshop lately for quite some time, and it's a great addition to the darkroom itself. It makes life so much easier, especially when it comes to drying Zebra dry plates and dry plate tin types. So let me open this huge cabinet up so I can show you what's on the inside. By the way, these hinges, or I don't know how these are called in English, they make sure to compress the door against this light seal so there is no light coming in. They are really great because they are adjustable. You can turn them around like this. Otherwise, there are additional light traps being installed on the door to really make sure there is no light coming in. Otherwise, that's it, guys. Isn't it amazing? I think this is a dream come true for every dry plate photographer out there. This drying cabinet consists of these 8 shelves, and each one of them can be pulled out completely all of the way like this. So when you're coating, you can coat your plates here, and then you can place one plate after the other on top of these marble slabs or granite slabs, it doesn't matter. And then once these are all filled, you simply put it in. Each shelf can take between 24 to 30 plates, 4x5, so this cabinet can take up to 200 plates at once, so this is really awesome. And like said, when I finish with coating, I close this up, make sure that that everything is pressed nicely, and then I can turn on the lights and continue with my other work that I have in the darkroom. Otherwise, on the bottom here is where all the fans and everything is. Basically, so this bottom portion, inside of here there is a light tray being installed. Otherwise, on the bottom here there are 3 fans. One is a heater fan, which is controlled by this tiny little computer right here. You can set up the temperature the way you want, so you can put it really warm or really cold. But it's mostly for warming, so with higher temperature also there is less humidity inside, so the plates are drying faster. Otherwise, here are two normal fans that are making sure that the air is circulating inside of it. And then in the back, as you can see there are fans that are pulling the air out, so the air is really being pushed through all of the time. This piece right here was actually 3D printed. It's another light trap to prevent from any light coming in through the fans. Otherwise, yeah, that's it. So also the cabinet was designed in a way that air is like circulating. I don't know, maybe if I pull some shelves out, I can show you. So the air is going like this. So let me close it back up. The air is actually, so it goes from underneath, it comes here, then it goes underneath, on the other side it comes back here, underneath, like this, you know, it's like a snake coming through. And then, like I said, it's being pulled out in the back, so more or less all of the plates are getting a constant fresh air supply, so drying is really fast. With my latest tests, plates can be dried in a matter of hours, which is really awesome. And this makes the production of Zebra dry plates and Zebra dry plate tin types just that much faster. There you go, guys, that's it. I know you're probably asking yourself, hey man, are you gonna like share some plans or some in detailed descriptions of how this box is built? To be honest, I've been documenting the whole build a bit, but not much, mostly just to share the photos on social media. Foremost because I first wanted to build one for myself to see how it works, how it behaves, if any things can be changed or improved. Fast forward 2 years later, and I have to say that the cabinet is performing great. It has passed the test of time. We've coated and dried well over like tens and tens of thousands of both glass and tin type plates. And I have zero complaints about it. It's doing what it was meant to do. Yeah, these shelves have proven to be a lifesaver, as they make life just so much easier. This is why I've decided to put together in detailed list of all of the materials and also parts needed for building this cabinet. I've made an in-detailed blog post, including also some photos from the build itself, and it also includes the STL files for the fence box, which is attached to the back of the drying cabinet, and it's built in a way so that no light gets in the drying cabinet. And I also included the files for the key light switch. So yeah. Make sure to check it out. It's linked in the description of this video. Hopefully I will get back to making videos like this in the near future. Also the Zebra headquarters and the Zebra brand has grown immensely. So there are many things to talk about, many things to show you and so on. We have so many ideas on a daily basis that yeah, basically the only thing we are missing all the time is the time itself. So yeah, let's better get back to work. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot, thank you for watching and for your support, it really means a lot.